of a project. So flood prediction system. Okay, so here we took a data from a Kaggle, so which is related to latitude, longitude, and rainfall, temperature, and previous any kind of floods happen or not. Each and everything we are going to take in here. Okay, this is the landing page. So flood prediction system using machine learning, and here we are using decision tree algorithm and flood predictions. Okay, we are seeing this, and after that first we are going to make a register of a user. So I'm going to check with a user. I am going to create normally. Okay, so password length must and should be 6. So user got registered. Now we will make a login. Okay, so this is the the prediction page. The user can after login, it's going to redirect to the prediction page. In this page the user can make a prediction by entering the details. For suppose I'm going to give, okay, so area I'm going to give as and which state it's going to locate. Okay, and we can make set location by clicking on the location orally. Then we can give the environment geographical factors, the main attributes which is going to perform the main key role for the prediction. Okay, so I'm going to give rainfall is 250 and temperature is 16. Okay, humidity and any previous floods I'm going to give yes for suppose. So I'm going to click predict flow risk. Okay, so here it's going to select the location. Okay, it's going to display location. We can make zoom. Okay, and after that, so now we will check what is the prediction we got here. So it's a low risk, and these are the precautions the user have to take. So if you want to do again, we can make a new prediction, and I'm going to do same things. Okay, so then we can select the location here. So I'm going to change now. Okay, I'm going to give humidity. Okay, river discharge, water level. Okay, and land type, what type of land we have. So means the living area land, soil, population density. Okay, previous flood recorded. So we got a low risk. Okay, like that we can give the prediction like values, the real-time values, or else from database also we can fetch the data and we can give. And here we can see in history. So what are the predictions is done by a user where they did all the things is going to be displayed here. So this is the overall outcome of a project. Okay, thank you.